I'll be quick with this one, alright, but what's going on? Guys, as you can see here, this is my Tradeify 50K instant funded account. The balance is this right here. Since I started the account, I took one win, one loss, and one win, and I'm up at this profit right here. So I'm going to be breaking down the 2 wins I took because they were good trades, and I want to make a video. I want to get this channel more subscribers, get it monetized. So if you see this, we want to like, subscribe, boost the algorithm, whatever. All right, but I'm going to be breaking down the trades on both of my winning trades. I made about $500 to $600 on each of them. Because there is a 20% consistency rule, so I'm not trying to make any more than $500-$600, because then when it comes time to get the payouts, I gotta make $3,000, and no day could be more than 20%. So if I go 500, 500, 500, 500, all the way to 3,000, then that will be 20%, and I'd be able to withdraw instantly. Okay, so I'm gonna break down the trade here. This trade was 2 days ago. This was Tuesday, intraday session. We had a strong breakup structure to the downside with a lot of room down. I'm thinking as long as this swing low holds, then like bulls are still in control, but price can come all the way down like to this area before moving. So let me go on the 5-minute. Alright, 5-minute now is also bearish structure, just like I said with the 1 hour. We have the strong breakdown here below all this support. I thought maybe we're going to liquidity sweep and keep moving up, but we didn't. We actually used that area as resistance and then made a new leg down to this low, right? So here I'm seeing we have this little support, but it got broken through. Price made a higher low, new leg down, right? So now I'm looking at this swing high to hold. Basically, any moves up into this area, I'm still bearish because this led to a new leg down. So really anywhere up in here, it can sell off and make the leg down. So I'm just looking for a higher low to get put in, and we saw that right here. Double rejection, start moving down towards the low to make a new low. And in that moment, I'm thinking, all right, we made our lower low. This is the lower high. Boom. And I only caught 52 points, 5 micros, because that's what would have made the 20% consistency rule. So yeah. Okay, then I took a loss somewhere in this, and then the same thing here pretty much. Now we're in a clear bearish downtrend. We have this move up here. I'm thinking, hey, if price starts to roll over out of these big pivot points, start to move back down, I'll look for a setup. And basically, as we come up into that area, we're bullish, bullish, bullish. But I see this move is kind of weak, right? Like on the 1 hour, it looks like it's the perfect move up to make a leg down, It looks like it's just like this one right here. It looks like it's just like a dying move up to have a strong move down. Dying move up into big resistance areas to have a move down. So basically, when we came up to there on the 5-minute, let me show you. The 5-minute obviously had bullish action, bullish, bullish, bullish. And then we came up here, kind of made like a little double top. But this high being a higher low, a lower high, right? Move down, weaker move up, another lower high, new lower low. So I'm thinking, all right, we're gonna start to align. We're aligning with the high time frame right now, and because this shifted here, we're going to see that continuation down. And I just held it. I took 5 micros, held it for like 50 something points, get that 500 mark, and yeah, we will keep doing this. Keep paying attention to higher lows and higher highs and trend. I'll show you an example today. What I'm looking for right now. We've been bearish. We're pulling back, had a strong move up, put in a higher low on this 5-minute, and then a new high. So these lows hold significance to me because they led to a new high. So I have this box down here because as long as these lows hold, I think we can see that move up to make a new high. So if that starts happening, we start pushing out of this box. I'll look to long, maybe something on the 1-minute time frame, or maybe we have a little high-low action, and then we can go and do it like that. All right, so yeah, that's how I'm gonna get these payouts. And yeah, if you like the video, subscribe. All right, peace out. All right, peace out. All right, peace out. All right, peace out.